guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can watch by signing in Netflix application on your smart TV or your a PC version. So all you have to do is if you want to watch in the PC, go to the Netflix app and download it. And also, if you want to watch in smart TV, usually the application is already there by default when you bought the smart TV. And of course, if you want to sign in, I recommend you to install the app via Android or iPhone first. You can subscription via by mobile phone, and after you get your account, you can signing in by click the signing in button. And if you in the smart TV, of course, it's the same. You can sign in here using your email. So I already log in with the email. So let's see if I'm signing in successfully. Here I'm success a signing in a Netflix. You can watch via smart TV or PC here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click this button below. See you in the next video.